Namaste, this is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. A very happy Sunday. How is my children doing? All good? So I hope you're staying safe, staying home. So about our topic, we all have Googled at one point of time. We all have Googled how to kill distraction, how to stay away from social media, how to concentrate on studies, how to like a subject, right? So these are the few, maybe most Googled questions from a student. Even I have done it, but yeah, I figured out the answer. So, what are the few tips that would help you to concentrate better on the studies? We have a couple of tips that would be really helpful for you, but we might say, okay, we might give you so many tips, we might advise you, but only when you start applying them, then you will see a change. Okay, for whoever watching this video, no, so after watching it, make sure you have liked it, then go back and start implying all of these tips in your lives to be successful. See, there is this small margin between the people which we see or admire or idolize, the successful people, and us who are still struggling, who are still trying to kill all the distractions. They know how to overcome it, right? Maybe at one point we are not able to. So here are few tips that will really help you to kill distraction and whatever the other issues you are facing or what is making you not able to concentrate on studies. So what is it? Distractions. So whenever the moment I open the book, I'll read one sentence, covalent bond, and like the two E's in B might actually be silent, because how do we pronounce it? B or rasodi mein kaun tha? So all these thoughts come into our head, right? So distractions, how easy. See, most of the time we will be distracted. Most of our lives we will be distracted. If I'm reading a novel also, so sometimes I'll be like, what is happening? I'm talking to a friend, I'll be like, do aliens exist? How do they look like? So these are it's so easy for us to get distracted, but overcoming the distraction or killing the distraction, staying away from distraction is very, very, very important in order to concentrate better on your studies. And the other things is worried. Exams. We're like, yo, what to do? I have not studied. Or yo, there's so much to study. Instead of studying, you will just sit and waste time in worrying or stressing about, what to do. Oh, I have so many things to do. And I know, especially this year, it's really difficult. We have a lot of things to worry about and stress over. But what is important, right? So that is what education must be your first priority. Whenever I ask students, yeah, this is the answer they give. Ma'am, it's so boring, ma'am. I feel sleepy. As soon as I open the book, I feel sleepy. Subject is only boring. I don't like this subject. So no matter how hard I try, I can't just sit and read more than 2 minutes. So here, let me tell you one thing. It is very, very, very important for you to like the subject. Okay, if you don't like the subject, then it will be really difficult for you. Even you have to put lot of more effort in order to learn that subject, because it's already fixed in your mind. So your brain is like, oh, I don't like it, I don't want to do it. It's like, if your mom gives you some dish which you don't want to eat, you'll be like, you will try to find some excuses, right? So that is what happens here also. You have told your brain, and it has been registered that you don't like the subject, and of course you don't want to study it. So make sure, don't just decide that I like this subject, I like this teacher, this is my favorite subject, this is my favorite teacher. Okay, give it a chance. It's okay. Start liking it. So for many of my classmates and friends, it has always been chemistry. Till now. So we meet after years. They'll be like, "What do you do, Surabhi?" I'm like, so proudly, I'm like, "Hey, I'm a chemistry teacher. I teach chemistry." They're like, "Ooh, chemistry? I don't like it." They are 26, 27, they still don't like chemistry. But they're not even studying it now. I don't know, maybe they only know about, if I ask you, they will know hydrochloric acid and H2SO4. But still they don't like it. See, from past 10 to 15 years, they have decided. So it has been there in their head that they don't like chemistry and chemistry is difficult. So don't do that. Okay? So just give it a chance. Just say that, hey, it's such a nice subject, it is so interesting. And always, before you start reading something, if you want to start a new chapter, okay, study of acids, bases, and salts. So before that, maybe go watch a video. Before you start reading the textbook or your notes, watch a video. So where there are a lot of pictures, maybe of acids and gifs and videos. So then when you come back and start studying it, so you can actually relate, right? So like, oh, hydrochloric acid, yeah, I had seen it. So that visual aids will be really, really, really helpful for you. That is the first and foremost step. But before that, as I told you, don't just declare, hey, Surabhi hates this subject, because I did the same thing. Okay, so when I was in grade 11, I was like, I don't like math. So many teachers came and they taught me. Okay, the teachers were really good. But I was not ready to open up. I was not ready to give it another chance. I was like, no, math is difficult and I don't like it. So whenever I used to derive a theorem or a formula or solve some problems, I was like, oh, it is so difficult. I don't know how to do it. I did that mistake. And of course, comparatively, I scored less in maths. Because in my mind, it was the most difficult subject. So please don't do that. Keep checking my phone. Arey yaar. We have so many social medias. We have so many things to know about, right? So who is Vinod? And who was in the kitchen? But it's not at all good. And they don't ask you these questions in the exam. So you have to know what is important. You have to know what is your priority. So before I tell you more tips on how to concentrate on studies, so here is a super plan for you. If you want to make the studying really fun and interesting and want to solve all of your problems, the right place to be at is a Vedantu platform. So all of your doubts will be solved. So in-class doubt solving, MT, CT will be there, and notes and assignments will be shared with you. Okay, and even in the session, so it is never one-sided. We will always keep it interactive. So in the session only, you will learn a lot of things and you will be curious to learn more, right? So all the teachers will try to make it so interesting that you never feel, arey, this subject is boring or this subject is difficult. So when you like the subject, obviously after the session also, you will make sure that you will learn that, right? So many of the students have told me that, ma'am, you made chemistry interesting, but we have not done anything. It's you who started growing the interest in the subject. So just visit vdnt.in/ytpro and choose your grade, select your board, ICSE, CBSE or Maharashtra, and click onto the get subscription, and do not forget to use the coupon code SURPRO. So we have different plans, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. So but I would say 6 months is the best one. But if you want to just come and see, okay, so how is it? So you can always go for the 1 month plan too, but make sure you are using the coupon code so that you will be getting additional 15% discount. So what are the top tips? As I told you, don't let your brain control you. We have a lot of things going on, right? So obviously, if you are, for example, there is ice cream in front of me and my mom is asking me to learn some definition, my brain wants to have that ice cream. Okay, so it will be like, Surabhi, there is ice cream. Surabhi, there is ice cream. So you need to control it. See, and one more thing is, you take the control and you should know, you program it. See, for example, it always happens with us. My friend is driving and I am sitting next to her. I have got nothing to do, right? So for some time I'll listen to music, for some time I'll talk to her, after that I'll sleep. Why? Because I have got nothing to do. But my friend, she has to concentrate, even though she is sleepy, even though she wants to get distracted, she can't, she cannot take that chance, right? So you decide you want to sit in the passenger seat or the driver seat. Even the same thing happens in your kitchen also. Your mom will ask you, come, I'll show you how to prepare this dish. She has to be really attentive. She has to add the required amount of whatever it is, chini or chili powder, garam masala or anything. But you who are just seeing it, it's like, because you're not preparing it. You can be distracted. So you decide. You should be always a driver or the one who is preparing the dish, right? Not the one who is sitting in the passenger or not the one who is just looking around. Kill the distraction. So what you can do is just whenever you are ready to study, fix a timetable, prepare a timetable. When you are ready to study, keep your gadgets away. Okay, don't bring them into your room. So as I told you, before starting a chapter, make sure you have watched a YouTube video or anything, which will really make it interesting for you. After that, you start. Okay, and then so don't let your brain think about other thoughts. Even if you're distracting, start reading it loud. Okay, practice it, write it down. Okay, so whenever you have read a definition, so when you are learning something, write it down. When you are reading it, you might get distracted, but when you are writing it, all of your concentration will be on what you are writing, so you won't be distracted. First thing, and by the end, you will have a notes which you have prepared, which you have written. So obviously when you are revising, it will be so easy for you. So make sure, if you are it's really, if you're not able to concentrate at all, then start reading it loud, or ask someone, call someone and just start reading it to them, narrate it as a story. Okay, or make some interesting stories out of the topic, just figure out some jokes on it, so that will be always there. That will help you to concentrate. Very, very important, keep your phone out. And one more thing, if you want to concentrate on studies, your health is very important. You have to keep yourself hydrated. You need to intake lot of healthy food. Not lots, healthy food. Okay, because you know that you're healthy. What you eat is what you are, right? So healthy food is really, really, really important. You have to have it, and healthy body is the key. So make sure you are drinking enough water and you are consuming the healthy food, and exercise. Okay, so not mean okay, I'll get up at 5 o'clock and go for a jog or very intense workout. So that your body will feel fresh. You know the difference, right? So once you actually do some exercise, or if you're just lying on your bed the whole day, you know how you feel, right? Sometimes if I have not done anything, I'll start feeling low, as if I have lost something. I'll just sit, and that is not at all good. And sleep cycle is very, very important, especially for the children. You guys who are still growing, you need to get good 8 hours of sleep, and make sure there is this timings, maintain it. A child sleep at 11, I'll get up at 8, 7. That's it. Only because of very, very, very emergency reasons, or sometimes you couldn't sleep, or then only you can break it, but try to stick to that schedule. Okay, so that your body will be automatically ready. You're like, so Surabhi, she wakes up at 7 o'clock. She'll start studying from 7:30. Okay. So it will be automatically ready. So train your body in that way. If you are trying to figure out how should I start. Let's start from very small duration of time, 10 minutes. Take any subject, maybe we'll start from your favorite subject, okay, so that it will be easy for you. Study for 10 minutes, don't let anything distract you, and then gradually let's increase the time. So 45 minutes is good amount of time. After that, take a break for 5 to 10 minutes, and during that break time also, what I would advise you is, do not check your phone. Maybe listen to your favorite song, you can dance or go talk to your parents, play with your pets, go get some fresh air, but do not check your social media. Okay? Major distraction. And passion is very important. So to do anything, you should have the strong determination. You have to be passionate about something. Okay? So studies is also like that. Don't just do it, or I have to study. Yeah. Okay? So start liking it. Think, if I want to be an IAS officer, of course I need to start studying from today. I cannot wait. I cannot waste time. Right? And you can also, I watched it in some video or I read it somewhere. So they say, when you are sitting here wasting time, someone else is working hard, is studying without wasting any time. Right? So when you think about it, you will just get back into studying. So just, stick on your favorite quotes, or your idols, or what you want to be, what you aspire to be. Put it on so that you will wake up and see it. Then of course you will be, you will get this. What can I say? Maybe encouragement or hopes. So determination and passion is really important, and whatever you do, do it with a smile. Don't have this frowning, oh, I have to study. Okay, do it happily. So if you have fixed 1 hour, if you want to study, if you want to finish the chapter, do it. After that, do something which really makes you happy, playing guitar, or singing, or dancing, or sketching. So make sure it is balanced. I don't want you to study the whole day. Okay, exams are near. Study. No. So make sure it is balanced. Okay? But how world is now. You have to start from today. So don't let these distractions take away the things which you want to achieve in your life. Right? Yes. So these are the few tips which I wanted to tell you. I really hope it was helpful. Let me know in the comment section how was it, or you have something to add up, or you have some tricks which you use and which has given you a better result. You can always let me know. And if you want to take the subscription, just visit vdnt.in/ytpro and use the coupon code SURPRO. Happy learning. Thank you so much. Till now, it was your master teacher Surabhi at Vedanta.